All right. Got our bearings and seals and all our goodies pressed on. Thanks to our friends at Victor's next door. They take care of all our pressy for us because it's easier just to take it over there than it is for me to schlep it home and schlep it back. I mean, I'm not lazy, but at the same time, it just saves me time. And you know what? Helps Victor out a little bit too. Keeps a little cash flow here and there for him. You know, we all work together here. So, driver's side's going in. Wes was doing a little bit of deburring on the lip. This side's not bad. Sorry, phone rang. So anyway, the passenger side had a little lip from it acting like a slide hammer because that axle was effed on the bearing. But this side's good. There's no burr here. Wes has been deburring that side, so I'm gonna stick this one in, get it situated, and then go over to the other side. Pretty new bearings. All right, driver's side's done. So as I was saying, this baby was getting a little slide hammery in here, as you saw from the previous footage. But she's good now. She's clean. She's not sharp. Wessie, stick it in, big boy. Hi, Poppy! Ay, Daddy. Easy. You're letting the C-ring fall off. It's late in the day. It's time to be inappropriate. It'll go. You gotta wiggle, yeah.
Oh, I almost had it. This one's long.
Yeah, it's harder to put in. I wouldn't know what that's like.
Me neither, but it's alright.
Grower, not a shower.
Come on.
Might not bottom out, but you're gonna beat the shit out of the side. Oh, God. Oh. What the hell is wrong with me?
A lot.
Thanks.
It's alright. That's probably more wrong with me.
Don't say that about you. You special. Oh my God.
What the fuck? Get in there.
Get it in. I should almost go under there and
Guide it.
that sounds kind of dirty. But okay. Got it. Line up the retainee. Then line up the holes in the axle for the retainer. Alright, and then we put our nuts on.
Right there.
No, other way. Keep going.
Right there. Yep.
No, it's the other way. It's 180. I think it's these. They're wide on top and narrow at the bottom.
Yeah.
Here's your nuts. I'm not trying to grab your butt, but they were right next to your ass.
God damn, I keep dropping my nuts.
Well, as long as you don't make a mess. Clean up after yourself.
As long as I don't bust them, we're good.
Oh, God. It's obviously late in the day. Inappropriate behavior. Here's your ratchet for your nuts. All right. No more slide hammer action. Let's put the drums on, Wessie.
Oh.
Diff gasket. Clean diff. Clean cover. Let's do it, huh? All right. Diff cover back on with fresh gasket. She's full of brand new fresh gear oil. Oh, hey, there's a socket right here by the Break 'em clean. So that's fresh, all done. Wheels are on, drums are on. Tomorrow, we'll come in, we'll set her on the ground, put the skirts on it, take her for a test drive, and then Steve can pick her up. Which is good because this car has a starring role in a film this weekend. Ha ha!
Yes.
Yes, our customer cars are cooler than your customer cars.